Every January, there's an English language charity panto in town, courtesy of Caleta Repertory Amateur Productions. This time around, the show has a rather intriguing title.
Alice in Underland this year, so I'll leave that up to your imaginations. It's a family-friendly show for all ages. We encourage audience participation. We kind of base ourselves on traditional pantomime, and we like you to have fun, because if you have fun, we have fun. Amanda Ward is our writer this year, our author, and she's directing it with myself. Everything's starting to tighten up, it's really starting to come together. Everyone that's involved in the group is a volunteer. They give up their time willingly so that we can raise money for charity. This year we've got Association Fuerteventura contra el Cáncer. We also have Addis Fama, which is supporting children and families with disabilities, and then we also have two animal charities who are sharing their portion, which is Twinkle Trust and Help Fuerteventura. The biggest amount of money we've raised in a single show was last year. It was €6,000. Collectively, since the beginning, we've raised in excess of €20,000.
The group, comprising mostly English-speaking expats, are clearly passionate about their craft and the cause. And it's not just them getting into the community spirit. Local businesses also help out.
We get sponsorship from the local businesses, as well as receiving donations for prizes. The monies that we get help us to produce the show, so we're able to then go on and raise money for charity. If we receive sponsorship money or a donation, you get mentioned on our tickets. So on the back of the tickets, we always print any businesses that have sponsored us. In addition to the tickets, business logos will also be on a projector at the start of each show. You can find us in the tavern, which is part of the Bronximar Hotel complex, which is based in Caleta de Fuste. Without them, we wouldn't have a venue. So it's in largely thank you to them. If you want to get in touch to say you've got a donation to make in terms of a raffle present, or you'd like to gift some money to the group, that would be fantastic, and it would certainly be used wisely.
Anyone is welcome to buy a ticket and join in with the fun. You're advised to be quick, however, as seats for the January 2018 season are expected to sell out fast. Attached to this video is a link to more information.